How to save in Canva. Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can save any file on Canva. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to open your Canva project and let's say you wish to save this file or folder or whichever project you are on your PC. So what you're going to do is you'll be able to see this share button here at the top right. So you're going to click on this share button and then you're going to click on download. Once you click on download, you'll be able to see file type, and when you click on it, you'll be able to see various options such as JPG, PNG, PDF, PDF print, SVG, and also we have the MP4 video. So let's say if you have added any video on your project, you can select MP4 video, and then we have is GIF and PPTX, that is the PowerPoint. So let's say I want to save this as PDF standard, so I'm going to click on PDF, and then if your project has multiple pages and you just wish to save a single page, then you can select any number of page, or if you wish to save the entire project, you can click on all pages. After that, you can simply click on Save Download Settings for your future projects and then click on Download. So once you do so, you'll be able to see the download process begin. Simply wait for it to get completed and then you'll be able to see that it has downloaded. Simply click on it and now you can see that you have successfully saved the project on your PC. So that's how you can save in Canva. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.